Hello everyone, welcome again to my YouTube channel. Still Shirley, taking you through basics of computer, and today we're going to continue with the applications of Google. Now today I'm going to teach you about Google Forms. Google Forms is a Google application that you can use to assess people online, not like giving individual papers per person or collecting data at once, not like going giving individual not giving individual papers to each and every person. It's a safer way that you can use to reach very many people in a short time. So what we'll do, we'll still go and look for the Google apps we have. We shall look for forms down here. Forms are right over here. So when you click on the forms, wait for it. Now it's bring for us an option of selecting a template, which is already like it's already a system inbuilt, like a model already there. You can just pick it and use it to design. But then if you want your standard design, you can choose a blank form. So when you tap on the blank form, it will bring for you the untitled form. So you can give it any title you want. Let's say I'm going to give it scripture union. Yeah, let's give it scripture union. Leadership tests. And a brief description, form description. Let's say it's just an assignment. Yes, an assignment for the course. Yes. Let's edit this. It's an assignment for the course, and that is done. So now here is your question. You can choose. Let me say I want, what is your name? That's the question I want to ask. What is your name? Is going to be my first question. Now here is where I choose. Do I want it to be a long paragraph, a short answer, a multiple choice, or checkbox, or drop down? So for what is your name, I want it to just be a short answer. So there we go, and this is a short text. Now at this point is where I click on whether if it's required, meaning the form cannot be submitted if the person has not fill that space, that answer. So I click here to add a section, and I'm going to the next question. So in the next question, let me see whether I can make it a multiple choice. Yes, add a section. This section I'm going to add okay, this is section. It's optional to write it, but yes, I can put it as a section of now questions. Yes, questions. And the description, since it's also optional, let's go to typing the question. Questions. So you can put the next question here. You say leadership is, so this time I'm going to make it a multiple choice. That you can also see how to make multiple choice. Now option 1, leadership is a choice. These are the option calling a chance. Then let's put maybe in option 4, will of God. Will of God. So I will also make this other one what? Compulsory required. So if you don't answer it, you can't what? Submit your form. Now from here we also have an option of, okay, from here you can make your questions drop down checkbox. I think so I've talked about that. And now you can also duplicate your question again. Yes, you can duplicate it. I think that's all. And when you're done with this short answer question, what's your name, this is done. And yes, I think that will be that. With all, you can just know you can make all sorts of questions over here. And when you're done with everything, you can choose to customize the theme. You put any style you want, just not anything you want. Then when you're done, you just tap and publish. Respond anyone with a link, or you manage, or you send it to your email. The things, yeah, you can send the link to all, to your WhatsApp groups, just not anyone you want. Then from here you can check when the responses, people will respond to your questions, you can see them. Then here settings, make this a quiz, responses, all the things you want, or you just know how you want the format of your thing to be. You can do it faster and simpler using what? Using the Google Forms. It's a very good application that can save you from making a lot of going through a lot, but you can do it simply. So thank you so much for watching this. Please like, subscribe, share, and follow me for more. See you next time. Bye.